How to deposit funds from a bank account to your brokerage account. First, open your moomoo app and log into your account. There are two ways to deposit funds into your account. The first and quickest option is by instant deposit via DDA. You can link your Singapore DBS or POSB accounts to your moomoo account for free in just 1 minute. Log into your DBS or POSB account with digibank or card and PIN. Key in your user ID and PIN and tap Login. Use your ID secure device or generate OTP with SMS to complete the two-step verification. Select your account, read and accept the terms and conditions, then tap Next. You will then be notified that your account has been linked. Enter the amount you wish to deposit and tap Submit. You will be prompted to set up a trading password to complete the deposit process. Your request has been submitted. It will take no more than 1 business day for a deposit to be verified. The second option to deposit money is by bank transfer. Please use your bank account as third-party and corporate accounts will not be accepted. Click the drop-down arrow and select the type of currency and the bank you're depositing from. If you would like to make your deposit in Singapore dollars, you can choose to use Fast Deposit for faster processing. Click Inform FUTU, select currency, enter the amount you wish to deposit, and tap Submit. Want to check your transaction history? Log into your moomoo app, then tap on Me, All, Funds Records to view your transaction history. If you have any questions, please send an email to clientservice@futusg.com. Funds will be deposited in 1 to 3 business days, and we will process your deposit during business hours. Once your deposit is available, we will send you an email and an in-app notification.